Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with one of my faves. I feel like I have a long faves list when it comes down to hair companies, but anyways, today I'm here with Tinashe Hair again. And the box is looking like this, you know, same kind of design. So open it. Oh my gosh, I see 30 inches staring at me. I love when I get inches to work with. Love it. So yeah, before we jump into that, let's see what else we got. I got this bag here in the package. So it's branded Tinashe Hair. It's a drawstring bag. So as usual, I get this information card with all their social media information, all that good stuff. I get a wig cap. I get a headscarf. It's branded with their name. And oh, I got a bonnet. Love getting bonnets. Love this color. You know, nice silk bonnets. Pretty. And I got a pair of lashes. These are 3D mink lashes and it's branded Tinashe Hair. That's everything that came in the bag. Yeah, and then we have the hair. So I'm so excited. And you know the funny thing, I'm a shorty, guys, like, so these lengths are long on me. Okay, the density on this is actually 180%, so it does have a little weight, but it's not like extremely heavy, and it's a straight texture. It's a natural color 1B. It's a medium cap size, and it's a 13x4 lace front wig. This is the construction. Has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and this is how the lace look. It's a medium brown color. So the edges are a bit pre-plucked, but today I'm gonna go into this and pluck it more. Yeah, it's a little too dense for me, so I'm gonna go in and pluck it a little bit more. Even though it's pre-plucked, I want more graduation. So it's layered. I can see where it's definitely layered, and it's nice and full. Like you can see the layers, right? Yeah, so that's nice. I love the fact that they layered it. So today I'm gonna put some nice crimps in this instead. It's been a while since I've crimped any of my wigs, since I've done a crimped style, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump into just plucking this. Remember, when it comes down to plucking, it's been a while since I showed you guys me plucking a wig on camera, but I've been doing it for a while. I actually pluck behind the front here, but I don't part it out. It's like I just eyeball it and do it, but I'll try to find a video where I break it down a little better, because I want to have a better graduation. The front here already has a bit, so I'm trying to go in more on the hairline, so it has that nice natural graduation. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm done with plucking the front portion, so now I'm just gonna use my got2b as usual. This definitely is longer than my ears. You guys know the drill. And this is pretty long on me, definitely past my waist. It goes all the way down to my leg. So I just got my eyebrows like retouched yesterday, like with the microblading thing. I did my retouching session, and you guys know that already. I'm not supposed to really touch on it or anything, so I'll have to cut away some of this excess lace. I'm just gonna kind of speed through this portion as usual.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Here
I'm done with installing it. No, I'm gonna do a center part. I just thought of center part and some really cute crimps. By the way, my eyebrows, they'll fade, so just in case you know, I just got them retouched yesterday, so they're pretty bright right now. I love them so much. But go ahead and check out my vlog channel. Check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, if you want to see all of that. Yeah, I showed when I went there, I got it retouched and everything, so
swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away.
focus of this for me today really is to crimp the hair, because it's been a while since I've done that, as I said before earlier on in the video. This is gonna take a while because you guys see how long this is. This is so long. So I'm going to go through this section by section and just start crimping. And I don't think I want to use any product today. The last time I did it, I used Got To Be to hold it, but I don't want to do that this time. This is a hand-me-down. I got this from my mom because my mom used to be into cosmetology. I've mentioned that to you guys before, so she have a bunch of stuff, so that's why I have so much of these stuff. I actually been thinking of, when I go ahead and get a new curling iron, I'm going to get a crimper, like a bigger one, so it can cover, you know, a bigger, or one that's kind of more like further apart. This is kind of like closer together. I don't know if you understand what I mean, like one that can give me like bigger crimps then. But one thing I love about this wig is that even though it's 30 inches, it's not heavy. That looks, no product at all. I'm gonna continue doing the same thing for the rest of the hair. This honestly took me like a minute and a half to do the entire section, so it's going to take me a while.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw in front of me, and every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. I fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we.
I'm all done with crimping the hair. Absolutely no product. It's so soft. The luster looks so natural. It's very flowy. The length, it didn't really shrink because it's just crimps. It's not like curls where it's going to like shrink. So you know, it's really long. If you want to make like a statement, this is your wig. Look at those crimps, juicy and soft. I prefer to do it like this without any product. Last time I did it, it was if you want to do it super precise and make it look super crispy, then you could go ahead and use some holding spray, but I didn't want to do that, so I did it without product. And I guess if you want, like, if you're gonna want it to last for a very long time, then you could use holding spray as well. But because being that it's straight hair, I guess it will wear over time. But this is so nice. Perfect length to make a statement and perfect hairstyle. You can't lose with these crimps. These crimps are so nice. I'll be sure to put all the specifications on this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself, because Tinashe did it for me. They definitely did it. I definitely recommend this hair if you're looking for nice 30-inch hair that is just going to make that statement, and it's already layered, so that's a plus. Really flowy, but yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tinashe here, shout out to you. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, share it, comment, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about the hair, and stay tuned for my next video, because you guys know I upload so frequently, almost every day. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on yourself. Bye.